Does a hairdryer blow harder when it is heating the air that it is blowing compared to when it is not heating the air? That is a question that I had recently, and expert that I am on the subject, I was not sure of the answer. Before you watch this video, what would you think the answer would be? Since I found no direct answer on the internet, I decided to run an experiment myself using a dual speed hairdryer with an external switch for turning on and off a 1200 watt heater. I made the hairdryer blow at a banner and causing the banner to be deflected, and the amount of the banner deflection is a measure of the blowing power from the hairdryer. Keep in mind the fan of the hairdryer is not a positive displacement air device. Also, you can hear the pitch of the fan change a little when the heater is turned on, probably meaning it is needs a little bit more slip. In my case, voltage changed at the outlet from 119 to 118 volts. So I will now turn it on. It takes a little bit to settle down, but then we're going to mark with the point of this knife how far out is blue. Now we're going to have a different view of what's happening, looking at just the knife tip as a function of the blower setting and the blower heat. We're going to start with the low setting for the blower, which would mean the higher heat, although it's the same energy going into the heater. So okay, I'm going to turn the blower on now. Okay, that looks to be how far it's blowing, but that is in the no heat condition on the low setting of the blower. Heat on. I am guessing that the hairdryer was heating the blown air by about 300 degrees Fahrenheit when the heat was on and the fan was in the slower speed setting, and about 150 degrees when the fan was on the faster speed setting. My feeling was that it did not matter whether you turned on the heat or not, but that was according to what my hand was telling me. But it was hard to tell what was going on, especially since my hand was much better at detecting the temperature differences than the pressure differences. Heat on. Heat off. Now we're going to do the same test with the high speed setting of the fan. We're going to see whether it makes any difference as far as how far this banner is being blown with or without heat. We're starting in the no heat condition. I'm going to reset my knife blade, which as you can see is it's going a lot farther out now. Okay, the heat was off. Now the heat is on. Heat off. Heat on. Heat off. See the, and you spin it.